come with me on a boat tour because it is finally time. The time has come. First, I had to clean up a little bit because the boat was a freaking mess. She was so dirty, and I did not want you to see her in that state. That's just not fair to you, and it's not fair to her. So, yeah, her name's Tina, by the way. It's Tina Mara. That's the name of the boat. So I was scrubbing. I was getting in deep. Honestly, my back was hurting. If I had a personal trainer, he would be lethally going off on me right now because the way I was bending my back over. Oh, pause. Anyways, I had to put on shorts because I got so hot. Cause yeah, I told you guys, I was getting in deep, okay? I was scrubbing her. I wanted her to be clean. So yeah. It really was for you. It was in your interest, honestly. Oh, hamstring check. Hello. Anyways, we move on to the actual tour now. And that's the front of the boat. Obviously, you can see it's cleaned up because I was getting in deep, okay? Trying to get all that dirt out of there for you. But it's a very nice boat. It's a 53-foot boat. Oh, and that's Marcus. That's our dinghy. So if we can't dock somewhere and we need to take him in so we can get to where we need to go, then that's what we do. Yeah, we come to the back here. This is the cockpit. That's Dad. What's up, Dad? And then we go down the side here. Again, so clean. Looks so nice. This is our mainsail. It is ginormous. When I tell you, that thing is huge, okay? And then we have another sail up front. That's called the head sail. I'm still learning all the names of the sails, but I'm trying my best, so that's what matters. We just saw the front and then the front again, and then we're pretty much going to end up right back where we started, you and me. This is the cockpit. That's where we do the steer in. And there's two ways to get in. There's that way and then there's that way, but we're going to go in this way down to the kitchen. We have a pretty nice kitchen, but I mean, we're on a boat. It's boat living, so that's just the way that it is. But it is nice. We have a nice setup. And then we got the fridge, and we have our little stove. Then we have a cupboard, and every single thing on a sailboat is going to be hatched shut for obvious reasons. Then we have our engine room, and then we go in over here this way, down this little hallway. Always watch your head on a sailboat. Always, always, always watch your head on a sailboat. Then we make our way down this hallway, and then Dad was in my way, so I had to stop for a moment, and then we start back up again. Here we are, back at where we were. Here's me again saying, watch your head, and then there's some stairs up to the other point of entry that we talked about. And then we have a desk over here that needs to be cleaned up desperately, but we'll do that soon. Then we have a little table right here that can fold up if you need it to, but guitar's in the way. Then we have a bench, and then we have another bench, and then we see where we just were again. Then we come this way into the bathroom. Well, hello, bathroom. This is where she gets ready. This is where she does her thing. We have a shower. We have the drain right there. We have a toilet. We have the window right there. And then a light. Then it's me in the mirror. What's up, guys? It's me in the mirror. And then my space. These are my drawers. These are where I put my clothes. And then my room, that's my bed, and that's hairball, okay? Hairball, yes, you heard that right. It's like hairball without the L, okay? I've had them with me since I was like 6. I'm gonna have them forever. And yeah, horse girl since day one. Don't come for me, okay? Cool, that's the space. And then we took a little trip into town because we were hungry and we wanted a hot meal. And by we, I mean me and my dad. Once again, this is his boat. He invited me to come with him on crew. I guess to kick my ass in pool, which was not super cool, is what it is though. So that was that day, and then went home and went to bed. Also, he misses the shot, so you should watch it. Oh, sorry, Pops.